Here's where we add scenarios. So first we have our baseline scenario. We can add technologies into a baseline scenario if we know that technologies already exist. In this case, I'm going to assume that our baseline condition is that there's no stormwater controls, and we're going to add some stormwater controls into this area. So I'm going to create a scenario. I'll call this one rain gardens. So I'm going to add some rain gardens. And I will go in now, and we have the capability to edit several different things as we build scenarios. We can have climate scenarios that we look at future climate. We can look at modifying land use associated with the area. And then we can also add technologies. In this case, I'm going to do a current scenario that uses the existing climate and land use, and I'm just going to add in technology and adding rain gardens here. The way that you select technology addition in CLASIC is that you can select to add small, medium, or large. Since this is rather a large area, I'm going to add large rain gardens. These are all different kinds of selections you can make with respect to design parameters. I'm not going to include an impermeable liner, and I'm going to assume we add sod. This impacts the cost. And irrigation isn't really needed in Indiana, but they sure do need to mow a lot. So, and you can also select the mowing season, which I'm going to select to be 6 months in this case. And we can also include trees. I'll go ahead and include trees. So this means it's going to add 3 trees per rain garden that we add. We're going to put the technology into the captured impervious area. And I'm just going to go ahead and add it to all the subunits. So if remember, we selected by tract, and this is showing us now 5 census tracts. And so we have 5 subunits here, a couple of them that are pretty small, but we're going to just add our technology into all of these. This tells me down here that we've added 23 rain gardens. Okay, so we have now 23 rain gardens in this area to collect 10% of the impervious area. So we're going to save this. I will also create another technology scenario of extended detention basins. Okay, so I'm just going to go through this one pretty quickly since we've already done that. So now I would just select detention basin as a technology. I'm going to select large. And again, there's a lot of different selections we can make here. I am going to select the routine mowing at 6 months and apply this one also to all subunits. So now we just had to add 5 detention basins to get 10% of the impervious area captured.